Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how we can make rules or create filters for your inbox on Gmail in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, making rules is basically the same as creating and applying filters for incoming messages and mails here on Gmail. Let me show you how to do this. So navigate to your inbox, for example, via the web version of Gmail, and what you want to do next is click into that gear icon in the top right and select See All Settings to navigate to your account settings. From there, navigate to filters and blocked addresses here. And then below, guys, you will see that button, create a new filter. You can import also one, so if you have already saved one on your device, I will go with create a new one. And after that, start creating the filter. You may, for example, enter a specific email address here. You would like to, for example, apply the filter to not receive any emails in the future. And you can do the same for outgoing mails. Then you can also apply a filter or rule for subjects. If you'd like to filter out and block incoming mails or messages with a specific subject or word in the subject by clicking into has the words, if you'd like to apply word filters, for instance. Or do the same for doesn't have. So to filter out any messages and mails that don't feature the given word. And then guys, you may also go, for example, for size is greater than or less than, and simply set a comparable size in MB for the given mail, if it, for example, includes attachments or not. And that's basically it, guys. To save the filter, simply click into create filter here. Of course, you'll need to add the criteria first, and that is how you can create a filter. And that filter will then be working. That will be listed here, and as you can see, these filters will then be applied to all incoming mails. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.